How to fix black screen with clutter on Windows and Windows 10 or Windows 11. There might be various reasons why you might be facing a problem. First one might be because of the latest Windows update, or you might be having issues with your graphics card. So the first option is to refresh your graphics card. Simply press Windows Control Shift and V on your Windows, and you should be able to hear a beep on your device. But if the black screen is not going, force shut down your laptop and restart your computer again, and you will be prompted to automatically repair. And from there, we could troubleshoot your PC and go to Advanced and open up Command Prompt. And on the command prompt, type sfc/scan now and hit enter. And what this basically does is it will scan for corrupted files and integrity files on your computer or your system, and it will help to repair your PC. And after that, close the command prompt and then go to troubleshoot again and go to advanced, and from there uninstall the latest updates and features on your computer and restart your computer again. And this should help to fix your problem. So if you find this tutorial helpful, to subscribe and don't forget to leave us a like and comment. Thank you.